Like to do the exercise?
Yes, I like to keep it.
Okay, so well, you know the importance of do exercise? Yeah, there's more important. Also me with my friend, we are doing exercise every day. We are running the lorry.
Yeah.
We are jogging. You know jogging?
How old are you guys?
I'm jogging at home. If I've been in Bear City, we are jogging in terms of to be our body to be flexible. The way I'm dancing, the way we are in the show, we are very happy.
How old?
Oh, I have 21 years
You're
old.
20?
Yeah, 21.
And
This 20 years old.
20 years old? Okay.
Yeah.
Well?
Yeah. So we are very happy to be with you, to
Yeah.
communicate with you. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, this is my friend, Thames from United States. It's a way to give us your contact on WhatsApp to exchange different ideas.
I don't have any dance ideas though.
You don't have an idea? Oh, I'm a friend. So you don't have ideas with us? You see, Kokuba, we are moving now. Okay, my friend, James, we are moving now. We are going to prepare in terms of to do an interview.
You're gonna do an interview?
Interview, yeah.
Okay.
We're going to do interview now with my friend. My friend was being yesterday in this town. Yeah, we are this yesterday up to now we are being in this hotel.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Bye, my friend.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye.